Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, or if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve. I post all sorts of makeup and beauty related videos. I have just filmed this makeup, which is the collection video, not collection video, like collection makeup video. Hiya. So it sounds like the brand collection, the video I feel face the collection. What? No, don't help me. So yeah, that surprised me. But if I look the same in like that video and then another video and then this one, like I'm just filming them all in the one go. But today I thought I would try and do an eyeshadow palette declutter. I did do a palette collection video a wee while ago, but I didn't get rid of much, and I need to. I can't fit any more in, so I have to try and be a bit more ruthless and just try and like sell or give away any palettes that I don't need, because I've got so many in there that I keep just because I like one or two shades in it, which is a bit pointless. So I'll go down to my drawers and I'll just go through them and see if there's any that I can possibly get rid of. I'll maybe show you some of my favourite ones, but I talk more in detail about my actual individual palettes in my previous video, so I will link that down below. So let's just go down and see if I can actually manage to get rid of any. So anytime I'm down on the floor, this wee munchkin thinks that I'm down to see him. I apologise if you see my fat legs, but my palettes, move. My palettes are kept in these two drawers, in my Alex drawers. So let's just, have to move. So yeah, I can't even see them now. I have got clothes on, I swear. These are where my palettes live, so we'll just try and go through them and see if I can get rid of any, but we'll see. 90s Remix palette is not going anywhere, one of my favourites as of yet. Going Coconut stays, it's one of my favourites. These two Essence ones I actually still haven't had a chance to try yet, so they're definitely staying. Now these wee barium ones, they can go in the maybe pile. This Joey one, this one can go. Yeah, it was nice, but I just don't need it. I have got colours like this in my collection elsewhere, so that one can go. Yeah, you've actually got rid of one. You're proud of me. This wee Extra Lotion one stays because that is actually really nice. I've just ordered the new versions of these that they brought out, so I'm excited to try them. Then what have we got? We have got my wee Technique one, that Technique one, which is staying because it's awesome, and this wee one my friend sent me, so I'm not getting rid of that. Then I have my Natasha Denona one now. Do you know what, I probably could get rid of this, but it's my only kind of Natasha Denona eyeshadow, so that is staying for now. All these wee elf mini ones, these stay because they don't take up a lot of space, and they are actually really handy sometimes. So I've got nearly every single one of them. This EYN Berry one, this one can go. This it's survived a few declutters, but it's time for her to go. Mom. What? No. No? Oh, my Lime Crime Immortalis is staying. This is really nice. Little London Twilight is one of my favourites, so that can stay. This one can... I don't know. I wasn't keen on this when I used it the first time, but I want to try... do you know what? That one can go. That one can go. My Pastels is staying. My Chilled palette. Again, this has survived a few declutters and I don't really know why, but it's surviving this one again. This one, I still haven't tried this and I should probably get rid of it, but the colour story in there is really nice. I don't even know if you can get that anymore, but I do want to keep a hold of it. Soph is staying. This Naked palette I don't ever use, I don't like it, but I keep it for nostalgia. Naked Honey is amazing. W7 Total Eclipse is really good. This Lunar Beauty Life's a drag. These shimmers are unbelievable. I think it's just released a bigger version of this with more shades actually, so I'll wait and I'll see how much that is, and I could maybe buy that and then I can get rid of this, but I will keep it. It is nice. I love these neutral sides. I don't use the bright side, but I do love the neutrals. Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon is so sentimental to me, so that is definitely staying. This one, again, I don't really know why I keep it, because I haven't used it, but I definitely want to, because I think that is a good neutral palette to have, so that can stay. This wee Essence one is amazing, that's staying. The other soap can stay. My Urban Decay Gwen Stefani, again, I don't use this, but this has got some amount of memories for me, so that one stays. My Colourpop at Florist Sight stays. This Juvia's Place one, oh, do you know what, I never use it. It's in some state, so this would be one that I would just give to someone. Do you know what, I'm never going to use it, so that one can go. This wee one is actually one of my favourite palettes, this wee Style London one, it's really nice. I have got the wee chilled palette, so I really don't need the big one and the wee one, do I? I'll keep the big one and I'll get rid of the wee one. I've got this Technic colour grid again. My friend sent me this and I've just not had a chance to use it, so I definitely need to. What else? Oh, Desert Oasis. I never use this and I don't know why, because it's really nice, so that can stay for just now, but I do need to make an effort to use it. It's lovely. And I've got Shush, another two wee mini ones. This one's really nice. I quite like these mini ones actually. And I have got the Mini Allure. I have got this wee Heartbreakers one, which I haven't actually used, but again, look at the colours and that'll be super cute for this time of year. My Moondust palette, it doesn't go anywhere. This big P. Louise base, I reckon I can get rid of that, because I don't like the P. Louise all that much, but I have got a small one, so I can get rid of that. This Elf thing can go straight in the bin. This is a putty primer, it is shit. Right, what else have we got? So Rockstar Noir, I really like this one, so this one is staying. Now Good Luck Charms and Fortunes and Crystals. I did like these, but I do have these colours elsewhere, so that one can go in the maybe pile. The Fortunes and Crystals, I might keep this. Mum! Do you know what, that one can go in the maybe pile as well. What? No. This Roxy palette is really pretty, but I just never use it. But the glitters in there are gorgeous, so that can stay and it can go in the kind of like one last chance kind of pile. Mum! What? It's not for Mum. Alright, but the Rockstar Nude can go. It is a very pretty palette, and the shimmers in here are stunning, but it's such a poor choice in mattes, and I can't see myself picking that up just to use the mattes, the shimmers, so that one can go. Now these I don't know, right, because I'm not going to pick these up, right, I'm really not, but there's just something so special about the packaging. I don't know what it is. I've got the Ariel one as well, and I just like having the set. I really should get Tiana one. They can go in the maybe pile. Then what have we got here? BH Cosmetics Strawberry Muffin. This one can stay because this is really nice, and I don't have anything else quite like that in my collection. Then I have got this wee one, Chocolate Like It's Hot. I get sent this for Secret Santa, and this one is really pretty. This one would be a good kind of going away kind of one, and I don't want to obviously get rid of it because it was a gift. Spiritual Stars. Let me know if you want a video again on this, by the way, because this palette gets consistent views for me and it's so old now. But this is what it looks like, so let me know if you want another video on that, because I think it's down to £5 just now on the Revolution website, so obviously that can stay.
Mum.
What? No? I have got my 3 Beauty Bay ones, Sunset Horizon, New Romantic. What? Right, New Romantics, which I've not actually used yet, and I have got Bookie Magic, so they're not going anywhere. What? Do you? Right, I've got this one, this Disney Villains that my sister-in-law got me. It's a lovely palette, so I can't get rid of that. And then I've got this Short Miss A one, which I still haven't tried. I really need to do a video with it, so that is staying for now. And then the second drawer down has got kind of like bigger ones. So straight away I know that I can get rid of my Mini Mitchie. Honestly.
Mom.
What? No. I don't need this. I don't need it. The 2 bigger palettes are gorgeous. And don't get me wrong, this is a nice wee palette. But I just don't need it. And I keep it just because I like to have all 3. But honestly, I can get rid of that. I don't need it. I think I've used it once. Don't need it. So that can go. So my feet in the ground can stay. Lois Cosmetics. If you haven't seen this already, you have to. It is amazing. So that one is never going anywhere.
Mom.
What?
Mom.
What? I've got Head in the Clouds. That one can stay. I've got this one. This is the Midnight Luxe. This one actually I wasn't keen on it when I tried it in my first video, but it's grown on me and I like it, so that one can stay.
Oh no.
I have my Me, Myself and Mitchell. That one obviously isn't going anywhere. There is rumours that I'll bring that back. My Be Perfect Manifest.
Mom.
Right? Oh right.
Mom.
What? Right, I'm nearly finished. I'm going to put this on my desk because I have taken reactions the first twice that I've used this, so I need to try it one more time to see if I do again or not. I'll get my Unicorn Cosmetics Wicked palette. That is staying. They're bringing out the new Angel palette soon. I've got these 2 Disney ones. We'll come back to them. No.
Mom.
I've got this big Fire palette, which again I haven't really used. So this one is really nice. I haven't used it yet really, but I'd definitely keep it. Then I have got my P. Louise, and honestly I probably would get rid of this if it didn't weigh an absolute ton. So that's why that one stays around. I've got my Beth Painter's palette. That's an amazing palette. It's so good.
Mom.
What? Right?
Have
you? Got my Morphe 35S. This is a really pretty palette. And I've got my Morphe 35M. I think it might be time to say goodbye to this one. Yeah, time to say goodbye. That's done me well. That's what got me into greens. I've got my Love Tahiti palette. Again, do you know what? I've got a feeling I reacted to this when I used it before, but I'm going to keep a hold of it just now and try it again. And then I have got my 2 big. What? Right.
Okay.
Alright, my 2 big XX Revolution palettes, which I really do like a lot, so they stay. So they do. They can stay. So that just leaves these 2 Disney ones. So what? Yeah. Yeah. So I have got the Stay Sassy Marie palette, which is very pretty, but do I need it? Yeah, it's going in the maybe pile. And then the Little Mermaid, I'm not going to get rid of this just because I have, like, it fits in with the other ones so well. But this is what this one looks like. It's actually quite nice.
Mom.
What?
Book.
Alright, yeah, book. So that one can stay. So that left the other 2 Disney ones, which are obviously staying now. Maybe pile. I had these Barry M ones. These are really pretty, but do you know what? I could possibly sell, like, pass them on. I don't like the packaging on these at all. Yeah, time for them to go, I think. And then good luck charms. See, I really liked the looks I did with this, but I don't need that. That one was my favourite out of the two when I tried it originally, but nah, I don't need that. I'm going to get rid of that one. So good fortune crystals.
Dad, Mum.
Yeah.
I'm back in that.
Right, where's the other bit? Here is what fortunes and crystals looks like. Got this lovely unique shade in it. It's kind of orangey peach. Don't even know if you can see that here. Really pretty, but nah, that one can go. So I'm just going to stack these back in here, and then I will show you. Oh wait, Marie, I've not decided on Marie. I think I'll probably keep Marie just because it's not old. I've not had it that long, so let's just keep a hold of Marie just now.